Hi, I'm Rebecca Davis, the archivist at the Limestone County Archives in Athens, Alabama, where we use Starter by Preservica to digitally preserve Limestone County's historic record. And if you're taking a look at this video, you should probably already have a couple of items uploaded into your Starter site. And now we're going to talk about how to use these to create collections that your users can really enjoy and get the most use from. So let's get going. Now, if you watched the first video, you saw where we put these assets into our starter site. Now what we're going to do is create a folder that we can add more assets to create a collection. So click up here on Add, and you go down to Create a New Folder. And that's where let's create one that is Schools of Limestone County. This is where we're going to pull in some items because we want to be able to let school children study on schools of Limestone County then and now so that they can pull things from this archives for their own projects. We're giving it a little description and telling you what's going to be in there and clicking to create the folder. And you can see there it is. It's already created and ready to go in the site, but there's nothing in it. So let's add some things. So if you click up here on Add again, you can upload files one at a time. You can click and choose and upload those, and it will show you it is going and ingesting, preserving those in the proper format for long-term digital preservation. You can go through, you can pick one at a time if you want to upload. Or if you would rather upload a whole batch of different items, then what you can do is minimize your window and go over here to your folder on your computer where you've got everything saved and just highlight all the ones you want, drag them over, drop them in, and there they are, good to go. They're going to add to this folder. So now what we want to do is make this look nice for our website. So if you right click on the folder, it brings up this menu. You can change the thumbnail. So we're going to pick a different photo. We're going to choose a file from our photos. Let's get a picture of the old Athens Elementary School. Choose it for upload, and then you can click to change what you have, and it will change the thumbnail for that. Now, to be able to view it, you need to right click again. You can see it's set to private. Everything will be set there by default. If you click over on public, then you can actually view this on the public portal. So click on public. If you want to check that, now you see that everything has this icon in the upper left corner that shows that this is accessible and viewable on the public portal. Now I clicked over on that icon on the left to get to the admin and to click on the public portal, and then you can scroll down and you can see there it is. There's your new collection, Schools of Limestone County. If you click on it, you can open it up and you can scroll down and view all of the assets that you have there, and you can open those up. You can read the articles, you can look at the pictures. Someone can view all of that there in your first collection on your website. Now let's go back to our admin portal and take a look. Let's say we notice that we accidentally put two of the same records here, two Tanner football pictures. Well, we can just right click on one and then scroll down to delete the asset, and it will move it to the recycling bin. It will show you that it's being recycled, and that way you're not using up all your precious storage space on recyclable assets. And once it's down there, you can take a look. There it is. You can empty your folder, and now it's gone, and you've got space for what you really want to preserve. Now, if ever at any of this time you have a question, that's what the question mark is for. If you click on that, it takes you to the resource library where you have all sorts of helps. You can enter search in the search function. You can scroll down through the knowledge base. There's questions that have been answered. There's little tips and tricks and cheats and ways to go about so you can actually look like you really know what you're doing to create your own very beautiful digital archives website. So there you go. Now you got your first collection in Starter. Not only is it permanently digitally preserved, it's now ready to show off to the world.